Hello Crafty Kids. My name is Kathy, this is Sophia, and this is Delilah. And today we are going to be creating some really fun fashion project. Sophia, what are we going to be making?
Fashion ring!
Woohoo! Delilah, what are we going to be making?
Set anillos.
Ooh, let's have a cute look at our rings here. We're using resin embellishments to create flowers and cakes and gems, all sorts of really fun fashion rings. And these can be done in under 30 minutes, but you gotta wait for them to dry before you can wear them out on the town. Let's show you how to do it.
The materials that we're using are ring blanks and jewelry glue. We're also going to be using some resin embellishments and some rhinestones and some dried beans. Resin embellishments are hard plastic, and there is ice cream cones, cakes, bows, and sunflowers. The cake is my favorite. Resin embellishments have a flat back for you to glue on. You could use rhinestones for this kind of project.
Okay guys, let's talk about ring blanks. So ring blanks you can get from any craft store or any online craft store. And there's lots of different types, and I want to show you some of the different ones. So you can get ring blanks that have filigree, and you see there's a flat pad there. So that's what you're gonna glue to. There's ring blanks like this, and those are super adjustable. So even if you have a really tiny finger, you can make that and bend that to fit your ring finger. And we have a little bit fancier version, and you'll notice that has a smaller glue pad. So if you have an embellishment that might be a little bit smaller, you want to get a smaller glue pad for that. The glue pad is this part right there, and that's what we're going to be gluing to. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to glue the first ring, and then you guys are going to glue your own rings, and hopefully you guys at home are going to glue some rings too, because these are way too fun to make. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use our purple embellishment here. I've got our purple flower, and I've got our adjustable ring blank, and this is how simple it is. I'm just going to add a drop of our jewelry glue right into the center of that. We're going to add our ring blank down just like that. And now this is where the beans come into play. You can balance your ring into some dried beans, and that way it'll dry nice and straight up, and you won't have a crooked ring, right? Who wants a crooked ring? I don't want one. So grab some old beans. If you don't have beans, rice will work, even some kinetic sand or something like that. You just want to be able to balance that ring out so when it's drying, it dries upright. It's going to take a couple of hours for it to dry before you're ready to go out on the town with your new gems.
I'm going to use this cute little birthday cake. I love cake, and it also reminds me of birthdays, and I'll wear this to any party. So what I'm gonna do is hold it by this strawberry right here and use a tad bit of this glue right in the center of it. And then I'm going to put it, I'm gonna put it on right in the middle of it.
That looks perfect.
And then I'm going to make a little hole and balance it in the middle. I chose the bow because it looks so pretty. I'm gonna get this glue, and I'm gonna put a little bit on the ring.
That looks awesome.
Now I'm gonna put it in the dried beans.
All right, guys, we're gonna let our rings dry for a couple of hours, so we will see you back here once they are all dry and you can see the creations that we made.
Okay guys, it's been 2 hours. Now let's check on our rings. It's fully dry. Now let's see how it looks.
So cute.
Wow. I can't believe we actually made these.
I see that there is one ring left for me and it perfectly matches my shirt. Thank you guys so much for joining us on Hello Crafty Kids. Remember, if you're using jewelry glue, you're gonna need a grown-up's help, and make sure you keep coming back to see more fun videos.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye everybody, have a ringful day.
Bye. That was cute.
A ringful day.